Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. The files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. And now I will show you how to use it. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and Design or some other folder where you extracted the file. Take the gear number 1, drag and drop like this, and connect to the media out. Once you finished, click on group, and when you press number 2 on the keyboard you will get the gear. So let me show you now what's going on here. First, this one is the background. You can adjust the alpha if you want here. And then first, this circle is with these two eclipses. You can adjust this smaller, bigger. These three are the holes. First hole here, second hole here, and the third hole here. Next one is it will go here. It will go with rectangle. Rectangle will be used for masking. Here is only 90-degree angle, and then from here you will see the duplicate, and duplicate will be 4 times and angle 90 degrees, and then you will get full circle. Next, when you click here, you will see the gear teeth and the amount you adjust here. I can put 16, it will go full circle. If you want to reduce only half, 8, you want only 5, you can, and that's it. All this will go to the bitmap. Why I choose the bitmap? I choose the bitmap so I can change the color for everything, and this is very easy to do in the background, just like this. Black, white, green, blue, whatever color you want, and all this go to the media out, and basically that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.